You understand? They do it for say, oh, Lord. You just see my footwork.
I tell you.
My footwork.
What happened to you today? I don't understand.
What you
I don't observe you saying.
See, I don't do any house.
Why did you they jump up and down?
No, it's a jumping something, you understand? Based on the modeling thing.
Funky
you
Wednesday.
understand? The guys to know, say, look,
Now we day here.
you start with that.
Just slide back.
Yeah, by slide back moves. Hey, you don't feel me. You don't feel me. You don't. Okay, well, slide back again. Hey, nice father. Oh yeah. Oh, easy beat. Don't tempt me. I rebuke you every. Oh, Auntie, Ibi, Ebele, hey, Ilema, Chibi, hey, oh, it does it, hey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Late Night Show.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. My name is Bolo, as usual, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, baby. Okay, and as usual, the Wheels of Steel, my very bad guy.
On the Wheels of Steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
You dey play drum? You just like, bow. All right, so now welcome on top of the show. And of course, today enough ginger, enough, very, very plenty ginger. Yesterday was on the low. And very big apology to everybody waiting for house. We come and feel my lowness. Sometimes, not know what we go through sometimes before this show, then they happen. You understand? So don't appreciate us for being human being where we be. You get sometimes you are low, sometimes you are high, and just you be human being.
I tell
okay,
you.
but any which way the show they roll today, you understand me? Nothing they happen.
Nothing they happen.
So based on the modeling thing now,
so.
so we're gonna call this our modeling thing now. We're gonna call them Pose for Life.
Pose for life.
Pose for Life.
Or Pose 101.
Pose 101. Pose 101, Pose for Life. Pose 101, Pose for Life. I'm gonna decide which one will be the title for Twitter.
Pose 101, they go pick up.
Either Pose 101
Because you know
or
what?
Pose for Life.
You know what?
Yeah.
Brainbox 101 did it.
Hey, Brainbox!
I got to wonder why the thing enter my mouth.
Okay.
Brainbox.
Either we go choose Pose 101 or Pose for Life. When I choose which one go sweet una. For this, our modeling pose we'll always do before the show go start, okay? Go for Twitter, at W Late Night Show, knock out for there. Pose 101 or Pose for Life. Either of the above. So ladies and gentlemen, now time for our pose. I forget. Wait till be on this one.
They go call us. They go soon call us.
All right, so
They go soon
don't
call us.
worry. This industry. Now all of us that
They
get
go
out.
soon call us.
All of us that get out. So all right, so as we like this now, the show don't start, and for you go start every. We get one correct guest in the building. Just to come show yourself things. You understand me now? So quickly, easy beat. Coco of the day will come after this one, so don't go anywhere. All right, so. Coco number one. Big. Papa teaching Peking how to appreciate any kind. No, but actually, now be the title of the gist. Any kindness what they do for them. You understand? Because children of these days, many of them don't know to teach them many things. Because parents now don't enter into hustling mode.
Yeah.
You get, and so they not to get time. They raise children the way children supposed they take grow. You understand? But this particular popsy, Father Jeff Simmons, he practicalized and he put on top social media and some other things to show say you still need to dey teach your children how to take the appreciate kindness wey they do to them. Say you can't get one particular video wey dey on ground just to show everybody how this whole thing take dey go. Just to every parent wey dey outside there or aspiring parent like us, just to know say training of children is still very, very important. May we watch this video sharply.
Avocado! Thanks!
So the man put them outside there. He said because they're very, very important.
Yeah.
Say parents need to devote time to raise children.
Very well.
Not be just to bond them, come outside. You need to train them how to take they appreciate things.
Yeah.
Not be just, see this training of a thing, it go beyond say bath wear, wear your clothes wear, learn to iron your clothes, or pay your school fees or one thing. For the principles where the pikin go grow up with, you as a parent self, you get responsibility to put some of those things inside the pikin.
Yeah.
So appreciation are one of those things. Some children they will go give something. They try and give back to you. If I slap your left ear. That's why for this country, we they train now the full area and they train pikin. Full area, not just parents we born and move.
Beat am on your
Uncle, some parents they tell, Uncle Ratimi, why no? Uncle can't come from the close here. Mama, but for that side, not be so. You get if you will go beat your own pikin, prison.
They will arrest you.
So
now you go even call police.
pikin girl.
I'll call the cops on you. Do 911. My dad smacked me. Woo!
See, Papa, you come outside with handcuff.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. but that's why I love Africans. You know, we here, Mankere, slippers, mortar, tongari stick, different bitty things there, plates. You know, so different things there. What you question to talk?
I don't hear guys.
No, that knock deal.
No, that one.
No, knock deal.
But actually they do those things. But those things don't fade out though.
He did.
Conk children like that.
You know, he do. You know, say most of us don't the hustle now, so not to put eye for house.
For all those house power.
That one they lick the. You know, say so kind conk knock day, conk day. Even here, pick it up here. I mean,
you can't say wait here. What do you? You got to say make I talk.
So something they trust you like this.
Yeah.
Just behave yourself. All right, so please train your children the way of the Lord, and when they don't grow, they will not depart from it. Okay. Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the coco.
Okay. So for China, different people the way they chook mouth onto investment things from one particular company. They also wake up one day and say, man, when they invest for, then they see returns.
Okay.
So now the guy will get the company, you can't launch from our hotel. All the investors just gather themselves.
Oh yeah, now.
Today, we'll go find that guy. They don't send mail, they don't do everything, they don't report case, they don't do nothing. Or that's they flex with their money.
Oh yeah, now.
$9 then storm the hotel.
Oh yeah, now.
Package where they cash their whole lamb gidigbo. Then they hold the man. See the picture. All the investors don't vex. And they kidnap the man from the hotel.
See the guy so
carry and go police station straight. I say they bail up the man like this. Say you die here.
Yeah,
but what you surprise me?
See the guy cloth though.
So you know say at this particular point they can't turn to say, look, when you don't invest money for some kind of thing, see investors so.
It pay no.
See now heavy.
Easy money they take alright.
It dey pay me oh. Now be this one so. Cause they don't put money inside the whole thing now. You know what it be? Investors. But for this country,
some people livelihood they there.
now some people life.
Now they there.
Now they invest for company. They don't come see returns. Oga we die here. We keep. I don't mind. I put my pride aside. I'll show you who you are. What's wrong with you? You all play with me anyhow. For this country, even pension of old people. Did you ever see some pensioners who collect their money? Some old ones they carry them for back. I say
what's going on?
What's going on? But anyway, just show you say where people, you know, where your money is. Now there your heart's day.
I ain't supposed to.
Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the coco.
Parents are beg. Why not they try protection yourself for house? And some people they keep some things them like weapons for house, for personal protection and everything. I beg. It's very important. Say we must do our best possible to keep these things out of the reach of children.
Okay.
Different things not they spoil children. Different things they spoil society as far as I'm concerned. See, TV, for example, some kind of movies, social media, things. Now, some children now for house, 14-year-old and 3 years old, brothers, they all stay house. They don't watch film, plenty.
Series.
Different, oh Lord. And I beg. Last time I watch one Telemundo, this thing, and one small girl, they correct, this girl I talk, I never reach 15, no. She they correct the people then wait they inside the movie.
No, he's not supposed to kiss him like that.
How you take no, how you supposed to kiss her?
He said, no, I just...
But he just show you say,
He know.
he know pass me. He know. Say that they shook tongue somewhere. He just know. Now, this particular one, now they don't watch action film, they come. Monsieur. Now Papa can't come up for house, leaving gun for house. 14-year-old can't say,
I want to do like the actor. I'll go and carry our gun and come outside.
now Waka go back of this thing. Carry Papa gun come outside. He don't know say they low down. Now I tell him brother say, testing.
Shoot you now.
I will just shoot you now. I will shoot you now. Piss you.
Now you shoot your brother. Your brother die. 14 years old brother. He kill a 3-year-old brother. By the time Papa hear the gist for where he did, before he go run come house, now blood and pikin is see for ground.
Don't stretch.
That one see they like
And I just do piss you.
pikin don't go.
Ah.
So now heavy, now police now come talk say they want to do investigation. So investigation dey, but they just say, which you want to investigate again?
Hey, you
Say
know, they
bullet
always
dey
want to
for-
find truth now. They always want to find whether commanded the story.
Hey, wait, the one they bring the 14-year-old, sit down. Which quarter you and your brother get when you want to kill her? Which you want to ask? What is the investigation for?
He took my
He don't kill her. He don't kill her.
Wait, you want bring back the one we don't die? Say, you wait till you find trouble, reach there. Go, but I beg,
Wow.
more importantly, make parents be very, very careful. Guardians, when I wait there for house, where they always keep those kind of things. I'm not gonna say you need to protect yourself.
All right.
But I beg, do your best possible to keep her out of the reach of children. Some children, they walk out, go kitchen, go collect knife. Some kind of things they wey fit just cause harm for house.
Yes,
So as they
yes.
watch us, I beg, keep those things out of the reach of children. One of my friend that time, and so electric shock a pikin.
Okay.
Because of the extension wey they keep for
Yeah,
house.
they carry carelessly for ground.
Exactly. That it don't spoil, and the man no say it don't spoil.
He knows to make it tidy
But he
down.
just knows say pikin crawl, reach there. Now God just save the whole situation. Say pikin nothing too do am, but he shock am because now there he
You don't feel am.
but you know say electric shock am because like say hair stand small. All right, so that the cocoa of the day be that. Okay, so anybody will get extra gist upon the whole thing, just let us know how far. All right, quickly on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us your own gist. All right, so will they come back now?
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.